I once had a dream that the puppy I wanted wouldn't come to me. I offered them good food and treats. They would come close only to then walk away. The relentless me continued trying to guide this puppy towards me. But after a long time, I was getting tired of waiting. And just on the other side, at the same time, my spirit guides were starting to prepare another puppy for me, offering them the same good food and treats until I was ready for the transition. There was no leash involved, no pulling, no force, for they and I knew that it had to be the puppy's choice to walk towards me. This dream was one among many showing me similar messages, dreams of me being prepared to find a partner that was aligned with the path I was on. Dreams that also triggered me at that time because I was not ready to date. I woke up knowing that one day I would move away from the first puppy, but I wasn't ready to let them go at that time. I was still healing from my broken heart and getting ready to walk away from the dating scene altogether. I remember yelling at the universe, "I'm done with dating," and in that moment, my mother's words came to mind. She used to say, "No quiero morir sin haber amado." I don't want to die without having loved. A statement that would come up whenever she feared for the end of her life. I've had 3 different types of loves in my life, I said to the universe. Despite our challenges, I learned how to love with my husband. Despite the third-party situation, my body experienced a lustful love affair with someone who became a friend. And despite the many unhealed wounds, I felt my heart open up completely towards a stranger who felt like home. I think it's time to call it, universe. I'm good. I'm done. I think I've loved enough. I continued to plead, argue, and laugh with them for 5 whole hours as I drove back home by myself for the holidays. Since then, other dreams have followed. So many vivid dreams to filter through in one night, throughout one week, and consistently over the past few years. Dreams that have helped me heal the imbalance within me, healing many wounds around past relationships, past trauma, and dreams that I now appreciate because I know how to work with them. Fast forward, and rejection is a light sting from my past, something that no longer bothers me to the same degree because I have learned how to accept all parts of me. But for those dreams that show me new energies of potential partners to prepare for, I now say nothing, only watch, wait, and see. I now know the world I live in is abundant in more ways than one, allowing potential partners to come and go as they please. I know to not linger in it for long, to not obsess over it, to not jump in quickly, to not manipulate, to not make assumptions nor decisions too soon, to allow it to be and transform as it wants to be, and see if it is something that is in alignment with them and with the me that is becoming. I am learning how to allow things to unfold naturally with no expectations, just curiosity and healthy boundaries. To wait and see if through our friendship they choose to one day follow this path with me. It feels good to feel safer and more secure as I am and by myself more than ever before. Becoming my own best friend was the first task, and now I am getting ready to learn how to intentionally create something wonderful and new with someone who wants to intentionally create it with me. My name is Yubi, and this is my transformed truth. Thank you for watching You Becoming Healed, where I model and teach you how to own and transform your truth for healing. Until next time.